Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Technology, and today in this video tutorial I will show you guys two ways to password protect your files and folders on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So you just need to follow me. So at first you just need to download 7-zip. So just go to the google.com and type 7-zip, then go to the 7-zip website. Here you will get 64 or 32-bit option. So I will click on this 64-bit option and it will automatically download on your PC. Okay. So after download and install, what you have to do, you just need to select that folder of files which you want to password protect. So I will use this file to password protect. So I will right click over here on this file, this photos file, and after that I just need to click on show more option, and here you will get 7-zip option. So beside of 7-zip you will get add to archive, and here you will see one password box. So you just need to put the password, like anything you can put. I will put here 123 and 123 again, then re-enter the password, and after that click on OK. Now I will delete the original file from my PC, and whenever you want to extract this file on your PC, it will show you the password box. So you have to put your password over here and click on OK, and after that it will extract on your PC. Also you can use OneDrive to password protect your folder or file. So for that you just need to download OneDrive on your PC or laptops. So I have already downloaded on my PC, so let me show you. So after download and install OneDrive on your PC, you just need to log in, and you just need to click on the settings button over here, and here you will get one option is called unlock vault. So click on next, after that click on allow. Now you just need to verify your account with your text or email. So after that you just need to go to your personal vault folder, and you can paste it any folder of files over here, or you can create any folders over here. Show more option, and if you want to create any folder, then you can create over here. And now if you have to lock this folder, this personal vault, then what you have to do, you just need to go over here, then right click on OneDrive, click on the settings button over here, and click on lock personal vault. After done, if you will try to open this personal vault, it will show you verify your identity. So now I'm able to access my files, as you can see. So I hope this quick tutorial will really help for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button, and share button. And if you have any queries or questions, then comments down below. I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.